The top 5 best email apps for Android. These mail apps for Android are higher than what comes pre-installed. In case you have an Android smartphone or pill, chances are high that an electronic mail app was in all probability pre-installed in your gadget whenever you obtained it. Nonetheless, that generic electronic mail app could not have all of the options you need, and there are dozens of electronic mail apps for Android within the Google Play Store to select from. How have you learned which is the very best? We've put collectively an inventory of the highest mail apps for Android that will help you work out which considered one of these apps is greatest suited on your particular person wants. Take into account, these apps are in no specific order, however every features a listing of what we like and don't like concerning the utility. Best designed and easiest to set up, BlueMail. What we like. The individual's centric characteristic helps you to focus your inbox on well conversations. The well-designed interface is straightforward to navigate. The clever counter characteristic allows a badge that exhibits all unread mail, or solely new unread emails. Encompasses a good preview that lets you mark a message as learn or delete it without opening the app. What we do not like. The app may be buggy, particularly proper after and replace, which may require that you just uninstall and reinstall to unravel the issue and restore performance. BlueMail is a free, well-designed electronic mail app that gives tons of nice options. It really works with a number of electronic mail suppliers, together with Gmail, Yahoo Mail, AOL, Outlook, and Microsoft 365 amongst others. It additionally presents Assist for IMAP, POP3, and Trade, and it presents auto configuration. Organizing an account in BlueMail is tremendous easy. In our Take a Look at, it took 3 faucets to arrange a Gmail account. BlueMail additionally presents Assist for a number of electronic mail accounts. Further options embody a darkish theme that mechanically modifications from day to nighttime modes. Simply configurable wealthy textual content signatures that permit for stylized textual content and pictures. Suitable with Android put on. Customizable swipe menu and electronic mail view actions for straightforward electronic mail administration. Mark emails to be dealt with later and set reminders so nothing will get misplaced in your inbox once more. If you're completed, mark the message as completed so that you should marvel if you happen to reply to a message or simply thought of replying. Straightforward to make use of electronic mail filters. Built for Android, Gmail. What we like. Simply import mail from different accounts, and ship mail from Gmail as if you happen to are utilizing a unique account. Undo characteristic helps you to unsend emails or undelete messages. Glorious search choices, together with superior choices and search operators that will help you shortly discover messages. 15 GB of storage means you by no means have to consider what number of emails you've archived. Simply customizable guidelines. A wonderful spam filter. What we do not like. Common modifications and updates to the Gmail consumer interface can go away. Customers fatigued at continually studying new options. As a result of Gmail is a Google app, some customers have privateness considerations related to the depth of consumer data Google collects. Ads, although well designed, are more and more extra current in Gmail. Gmail is essentially the most incessantly used electronic mail app with Android units, and for good cause. Gmail works fantastically with Android, and it's fully free. Additionally, it is built in with different Google companies, which work nicely on Android units and is easy to add multiple Gmail accounts to one device. For customers with a number of electronic mail accounts, Gmail is suitable with companies like Outlook.com and Yahoo Mail, or different IMAP or POP electronic mail accounts. Further options embody. The Gmail offline characteristic lets you entry emails and queue up emails to ship when the app is again online. Integrates with Google Calendar and Google Duties, which makes being productive and arranged simpler. Simply configurable autoresponder. Customizable themes. Integration with Google Pay. Expandable functionality, Aquamail. What we like. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.